Hello, boys and girls. My name is Mrs. Bailey. Today we are going to learn how to write our names. First of all, welcome to class. We're all going to welcome each other with open hands. Hope we take care of each other through the school year. We're going to learn how to write our names. And if some of us know how to write our name, we can learn how to write our friend's name. My lesson plan for the class today would be ELA, that is English Language Art, from 7:30 to 8:15, and then Science from 8:20 to 9:05, Math from 9:10 to 9:55, Snack time at 10 to 10:20 while watching Read Out Loud on YouTube channel on the smart board. Independent work from 10:25 to 11 o'clock, 11:10. Specials would be PE today from 11:15 to 12 o'clock, recess from 12:05 to 12:25, and lunch from 12:30 to 1 o'clock. Social study from 1:05 to 1:50. Cleanup time to get ready to go home would be from 1:50 to 1:55. School's out at 2 p.m. Have a nice day, everyone, and see you all tomorrow.